The stock market returns 6 to 10% annually, if you're lucky. But certain firearms are doubling and tripling in value. We found 10 guns that outperform every major index. The scarcity, the demand, the limited supply. Today we reveal which guns recover value faster than anything Wall Street offers. Number 10. Steyr AUG Original Imports. The Steyr AUG is an Austrian bullpup rifle that represents futuristic engineering from the 1980s. Original imports, before the 1989 ban, represent permanent supply constraints in the American market. A used Steyr AUG original import in very good to excellent condition currently costs $3,500 to $6,000. Pre-ban green and black polymer variants command the highest prices from serious collectors nationwide. What makes the Steyr AUG recover value so rapidly compared to financial investments? The bullpup design represents revolutionary engineering that influenced military rifle development worldwide. Original green polymer stocks are distinctively recognizable and instantly appealing to collectors. Pre-ban import status guarantees permanent scarcity as legal restrictions prevent new supplies from entering America. The rifle features modular design and optical integration that was revolutionary for the 1980s era. Collectors appreciate the engineering excellence and authentic military provenance of original examples. The AUG was adopted by multiple nations and proven reliable in actual combat operations. Market demand from serious rifle collectors is rising noticeably as scarcity becomes apparent. A pristine pre-ban Steyr AUG with matching numbers will likely exceed $7,000 within 5 years. The investment fundamentals are solid and strengthening, consistently, measurably. These rifles represent authentic military engineering from Austria's finest manufacturers. Original boxes and documentation add significant premiums to collector value assessments. The AUG platform represents genuine collector appeal and sustained investment potential moving forward consistently throughout the coming years and market cycles. Scarcity ensures demand sustainability. Quality engineering validates investment. Bullpup design appeals globally. These rifles offer exceptional returns. Number 9. Colt SP1 Early AR-15. The Colt SP1 is the original semi-automatic AR-15 rifle that pioneered the modern sporting rifle market in America. Early slab-side receivers represent original production before design modifications improved the platform. A used Colt SP1 in very good to excellent condition costs $2,000 to $4,000 in today's market. Early slab-side receivers and matching numbers command the highest premiums from serious collectors. What makes the Colt SP1 recover value faster than stock market investments? The slab-side receiver design is distinctive and instantly recognizable among serious AR-15 collectors worldwide. Original Colt production represents the foundation of modern AR-15 manufacturing heritage in America. Early SP1 variants preceded the M16A1 improvements and represent authentic original design concepts. Collectors appreciate the engineering innovation and authentic military provenance of original examples. The rifle represents American innovation and the birth of the modern sporting rifle platform. Import restrictions and production transitions guarantee permanent scarcity of original SP1 examples in the marketplace. Original finishes and matching numbers significantly enhance desirability and investment potential. Market demand from AR-15 collectors is rising noticeably as scarcity becomes apparent to investors. A pristine early Colt SP1 with slab-side receiver will likely exceed $5,000 within 5 years. The investment fundamentals are solid and strengthening consistently. These rifles represent the foundation of American rifle manufacturing innovation and heritage. Original Vietnam-era markings and correct parkerized finishes are critical to authentication and maximum value. The SP1 represents genuine collector appeal and sustained appreciation potential moving forward into the future marketplace. AR-15 origins command respect. Slab side receivers are distinctive. Investment fundamentals are proven. Market demand continues rising. Number 8. Winchester Model 1873 Antique. The Winchester Model 1873 is a legendary lever-action rifle that transcends firearms to enter the broader Americana antiques market. These rifles were manufactured from 1873 through 1923, representing genuine American heritage and frontier history. A used Winchester Model 1873 in good to excellent condition costs $3,000 to $10,000, depending on originality and condition. Pristine original examples and rare calibers command the highest prices from discriminating collectors nationwide. What makes the Winchester 1873 recover value faster than financial markets? The rifle transcends the firearms market to enter broader Americana antiques and collectibles markets. Winchester 1873 rifles represent genuine American frontier heritage and historical significance, unmistakably. Original rifles from the 1870s and 1880s carry authentic period provenance and documented history. Collectors understand that genuine antique firearms appreciate alongside other antiques and Americana. The rifle was used by settlers, ranchers, and military forces across America, historically. Original examples in pristine condition are increasingly scarce and valuable in the marketplace. Market demand from antique collectors is rising as broader appreciation for American heritage grows. A pristine Winchester 1873 in rare caliber will likely exceed $12,000 within 5 years. The investment fundamentals are solid as antique markets strengthen consistently. These rifles appeal to both firearms collectors and broader antiques collectors and investors. Original finishes and documented provenance significantly enhance desirability and investment value. The Winchester 1873 represents genuine American heritage and sustained appreciation potential moving forward throughout the marketplace. Antique appeal extends value. Frontier history attracts investors. Americana market strengthens demand. Originals command respect worldwide. Number 7. SKS Russian or early matching. The SKS is a Russian semi-automatic rifle chambered in 7.62 by 39 that represents affordable entry into collector firearms. Early matching Tula and Izhevsk examples represent the highest quality Soviet manufacturing standards. A used SKS in very good to excellent condition costs $800 to $1,500 in today's market. Matching early production examples command the highest prices from serious collectors. What makes the SKS recover value faster than stock market returns? The SKS represents an entry-level collectible that has demonstrated consistent bounce-back appreciation after market corrections. Early matching production examples from Tula and Izhevsk represent peak Soviet manufacturing quality. Soviet military firearms have demonstrated reliable appreciation as historical significance increases. Collectors understand that early matching examples represent scarce and valuable artifacts. The rifle was used by Soviet military forces and proven reliable in actual combat. Original condition and matching numbers significantly enhance value and desirability to collectors. Market demand for early matching SKS rifles is rising noticeably as awareness grows. A pristine early matching SKS will likely exceed $2,000 within 5 years. The investment fundamentals are solid as collector demand continues rising steadily. These rifles appeal to both budget-conscious new collectors and serious veterans. Original Soviet finish and matching components add substantial premiums to value. The SKS represents genuine collector appeal and sustained appreciation potential in the marketplace moving forward. Entry-level collectibles lead recovery. Matching examples appreciate steadily. Soviet manufacturing quality sustains. These rifles offer value. Number 6. Mauser K98K World War II, German. The Mauser K98K is a legendary German military rifle that represents World War II history and craftsmanship excellence. Matching number examples from Nazi Germany represent perennial favorites in the collector marketplace. A used Mauser K98K in very good to excellent condition costs $1,200 to $3,500 currently. Matching number examples with original German markings command the highest prices from serious collectors. What makes the Mauser K98K recover value faster than stock market investments? The K98K represents authentic World War II history and German military engineering excellence. Matching number examples are increasingly scarce as original examples age and condition deteriorates. World War II military firearms have demonstrated reliable appreciation as historical significance increases steadily. Collectors understand that matching examples represent the highest quality and authenticity standards. The rifle was used by German military forces and proven reliable in actual combat. Original German markings and matching numbers significantly enhance desirability to serious collectors. Market demand for matching K98K rifles is rising noticeably in the collector community. A pristine matching K98K will likely exceed $4,000 within 5 years. The investment fundamentals are solid as World War II collector interest continues rising. These rifles appeal to military history enthusiasts and serious firearms collectors equally. Original German finish and matching components add substantial premiums to investment value. The Mauser K98K represents genuine historical significance and sustained appreciation potential moving forward. World War II provenance commands respect. German craftsmanship sustains value. Matching examples appreciate steadily. Collector demand strengthens consistently. Number 5. Marlin 1895 JM stamped. The Marlin 1895 is a lever-action rifle chambered in 4570 government that represents American frontier heritage and proven reliability. JM stamped examples manufactured before Remington acquisition represent the highest quality and craftsmanship standards. A used Marlin 1895 JM stamped in very good to excellent condition costs $1,500 to $2,800 currently. Pre-Remington examples command the highest prices from serious lever-action collectors nationwide. What makes the Marlin 1895 JM recover value faster than financial investments? The JM stamp represents Marlin's commitment to quality before corporate consolidation occurred. Pre-Remington manufacturing standards ensure superior hand-fitting and component quality throughout. The 4570 government cartridge represents powerful American heritage and authentic frontier legitimacy. Collectors understand that JM stamped examples represent peak Marlin manufacturing excellence. The rifle was used by hunters and outdoor enthusiasts across America for decades. Original condition and matching JM stamps significantly enhance desirability to serious collectors. Market demand for JM stamped Marlin 1895s is rising noticeably as awareness grows. A pristine JM stamped Marlin 1895 will likely exceed $3,000 within 5 years. The investment fundamentals are solid as lever-action collector interest strengthens. These rifles appeal to both hunters and serious firearms collectors equally. Original Marlin finish and matching components add substantial premiums to investment value. The Marlin 1895 JM represents genuine quality craftsmanship and sustained appreciation potential moving forward. Pre-Remington quality commands respect. Lever-action heritage sustains appeal. Matching examples appreciate steadily. Collector demand strengthens continually. Number 4. Winchester Model 70, pre-1964. The Winchester Model 70 is the legendary pre-64 rifle that earned the nickname Rifleman's Rifle among serious hunters. The rifle's reputation for reliability and accuracy remains unmatched in the collector community today. These rifles were manufactured with meticulous hand-fitting and quality control standards. A used Winchester 70 Pre-64 in very good to excellent condition costs $1,800 to $5,000. Rare calibers and pristine examples command the highest prices from discriminating collectors. What makes the Winchester 70 Pre-64 recover value faster than stock markets? The rifle represents controlled round feed design and three-position safety excellence. Hand-fitted components and quality wood-to-metal fit appeal to serious craftsmen and collectors. Original factory finishes and matching numbers significantly enhance desirability and investment value. The rifle was used successfully by hunters worldwide for decades with proven reliability. Modern Winchester production cannot replicate hand-fitting standards of Pre-64 manufacture. Production transitions guarantee permanent scarcity of original examples in the marketplace. Rare calibers like 300 H&H and 375 H&H command serious premiums. A pristine Pre-64 Winchester 70 in rare caliber will likely exceed $6,000 within 5 years. The investment fundamentals are solid as collector cult following strengthens. These rifles represent the golden era of American rifle manufacturing. The Winchester 70 Pre-64 represents genuine collector appeal and sustained appreciation moving forward. Hand-fitted excellence commands respect. Controlled round feed design validates. Rare caliber premiums persist. Collector demand strengthens continually. Number 3. HK91, original import. The HK91 is the civilian version of the legendary G3 battle rifle manufactured in Germany. Original Pre-89 imports represent permanent supply constraints in the American collector market. A used HK91 in very good to excellent condition costs $3,500 to $5,500 currently. Original German manufacture and matching numbers command the highest premiums from serious collectors. What makes the HK91 recover value faster than stock market investments? The HK91 represents Heckler & Koch engineering excellence and precision manufacturing standards. The roller-delayed blowback design represents engineering genius in its simplicity and reliability. Original German manufacturing standards ensure exceptional quality and longevity in harsh conditions. Pre-89 import status guarantees permanent scarcity as legal restrictions prevent new stock development. The rifle represents German engineering excellence recognized worldwide among professional operators. Collectors understand that modern HK production cannot replicate the original manufacturing standards. The G3 design was adopted by multiple nations and proven reliable in combat. Market demand from German rifle collectors is rising noticeably as scarcity becomes apparent. Number 2. M1 Garand USGI. The M1 Garand is the legendary semi-automatic rifle that won World War II for America. The rifle's historical significance and proven reliability make it one of the most collectible military firearms ever manufactured. USGI examples represent authentic military manufacturing and documented historical service records. A used M1 Garand in very good to excellent condition costs $1,400 to $3,500. Matching World War II examples from Springfield and Winchester command the highest prices. What makes the M1 Garand recover value faster than stock market returns? The M1 Garand represents authentic American military heritage and World War II significance. USGI examples are increasingly scarce as surplus supplies dry up permanently. A pristine matching M1 Garand will likely exceed $4,000 within 5 years. The investment fundamentals are solid as World War II collector interest continues rising. These rifles appeal to military history enthusiasts and serious firearms collectors. Original finishes and matching components add substantial premiums to investment value. The M1 Garand represents genuine historical significance and sustained appreciation potential moving forward. World War II heritage commands respect. Military quality sustains demand. Matching examples appreciate consistently. Collector interest strengthens measurably. Number 1. Pre-1986 Transferable machine guns. Pre-1986, transferable machine guns represent the gold standard of firearm investment globally. The federal registry cap permanently restricts supply, creating unprecedented scarcity and sustained demand that ensures consistent appreciation year after year. These firearms are strictly capped in supply by federal law, with 0 new civilian registrations allowed. A pre-1986 machine gun in running condition costs $25,000 to $75,000 minimum. Entry-level examples like Colt SP1 semi-auto conversions cost around $15,000. Premium examples like HK MP5 full auto variants exceed $100,000. What makes pre-1986 machine guns recover value faster than any stock market investment? The machine gun registry is permanently capped with 0 legal additions allowed forever. Scarcity drives 10 to 20% year-over-year growth in the machine gun market. High demand for closed registry items ensures sustained appreciation indefinitely. Collectors understand that scarcity creates permanent demand for limited items. Conclusion: the pattern is undeniable across investment history and firearms markets worldwide. Guns recover value faster than stock markets through scarcity and demand mechanisms. Pre-1986 machine guns offer the highest appreciation potential with 10 to 20% annual growth. M1 Garand values have risen dramatically as surplus supplies dry up permanently. HK91 original imports command premium prices reflecting German engineering prestige. Winchester Model 70 Pre-64 rifles attract cult followings, ensuring appreciation. Marlin 1895 JM stamped examples maintain quality premiums reflecting pre-Remington standards. Mauser K98K matching examples maintain steady appreciation for historical significance. SKS Russian matching examples lead market recovery from corrections. Winchester Model 1873 antiques transcend firearms to enter broader Americana markets. Colt SP1 early AR-15S anchor many collections and appreciate consistently. Steyr AUG original imports represent high-scarcity bullpup appreciation. Each gun demonstrates faster value recovery than stock market averages. Market data confirms consistent 5 to 15% annual growth for scarce items. Smart investors position themselves in these firearms at current reasonable prices. Condition and originality add 20 to 50% premiums to all examples. The fundamentals are sound as scarcity guarantees sustained demand forever. Original documentation and matching numbers command highest premiums in all segments. These firearms represent genuine investment alternatives to traditional financial markets. The opportunity exists now before broader market awareness drives prices higher. Acquisition today yields substantial returns compared to stock market alternatives. These guns demonstrate that scarcity-driven appreciation outperforms financial markets consistently. The investment thesis is proven and repeatable across all categories listed. Smart collectors recognize this opportunity and position themselves accordingly today. Market fundamentals are sound. Value recovery is proven. Investment thesis is validated. The opportunity is real and time-sensitive.